Welcome to day 10 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Today, we're diving into Savoring the Flavor Meditation, a practice that turns eating or drinking into a mindful moment of joy and connection. Often, we rush through meals without truly appreciating the flavors, textures, and sensations. By savoring each bite or sip, we can bring mindfulness into this essential daily act. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice. Savoring the flavor. Grab a small snack or beverage. It could be a piece of chocolate, a sip of tea, or a slice of fruit. Ready? Let's begin. Before taking your first bite or sip, pause, look at your food or drink. Notice its colors, shapes, and textures. If it's a drink, observe the steam rising or the way light reflects on the surface. Bring it closer to your nose and take a deep breath. Notice the aroma. Is it sweet, earthy, or fresh? Allow yourself to fully experience the scent. Take a small bite or sip, but don't chew or swallow immediately. Let it rest on your tongue. Pay attention to the initial flavors and textures. Explore the sensation before moving to the next step. If you're eating, chew slowly. Focus on how the flavors evolve, the texture changes, and the satisfaction builds. If you're sipping, notice how the liquid feels as it moves through your mouth. After swallowing, pause for a moment. Reflect on how this simple act of savoring makes you feel. Appreciate the flavors, the nourishment, and the moment of mindfulness you've created. So, why does savoring the flavor matter? It helps us slow down, appreciate our food, and deepen our connection with the present moment. This practice can turn a simple snack into a source of joy and mindfulness. Now, let's reflect. How did savoring the flavor change your experience with food or drink? Did you notice anything new? For more mindfulness practices, visit the Serenity Mindset blog. A detailed guide for today's mindfulness practice is linked in the description. Thank you for joining us on day 10 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness Challenge. Let's savor the flavors of life, one moment at a time. See you tomorrow for day 11. Stay serene and enjoy each bite and sip mindfully.